Hey guys, back in the garage. Just wanted to give a quick update. I've got the replacement front upper bumper, and I'm not going to go into a big rant. I'll say it's moderately better than the first one that I had. I was talking to the guy at the dealer. I mean, he said he did confirm these are made in China, and it is what it is. So anyway, I've got it installed. Just as a quick installation note, it does only take about really about 15 minutes to install. It's a very quick installation. I did have to for the for the holes here and here, I did have to run a tap through them. I highly encourage you to run a tap through them. The bolts were fine, but the holes have a lot of buildup of crud in them. They're not very well tapped, so I would encourage you to do that if you get this. Honestly, if I could do it again, I probably would look at an aftermarket. But since mine, I got the premium edition, which comes with the lower bumper. I like the look of it from the overall. Again, the 5-foot, 10-foot look, it looks great. But it is what it is, and we'll just go with it. So anyway, that was just a quick sum up from it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.